This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Michael Ryan Smith. 2-bedroom/2-bath cabin, bright with open floor plan, new stainless appliances, gas stove and fireplace, washer and dryer to remain. Kitchen recently updated, solid hickory cabinets, tile floors in kitchen and bathrooms, walk-in closets, covered front porch and back deck, cleared pasture, 2.94 acres. 2-stall barn in the process of being re-stained, tack room with dehumidifier, and feed room with electricity and water, attached to dry lot, year-round creek on the back of the property. Outbuilding in front of barn has secure tool shed, an office with a split system, brand new attached shed for parking of tractor and storing of hay, 220 volts electrical hookup in circular driveway. Cabin was completely repainted 2020. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Ryan Smith at 865-342-4200.